You're watching How Leap. Let's address a disabled Instagram account that can't be contacted. If your account is disabled, you'll see a message when trying to log in. Open the Instagram app and try to log in. On the disabled message screen, tap Learn More or Submit Appeal. This will open a form. Fill out the appeal form completely. You'll need to provide your full name, the username of the disabled account, and the email or phone number linked to it. You may also be asked to upload a photo of yourself holding a handwritten code. Submit the form. You can also appeal from a computer by visiting the Instagram Help Center and searching for disabled account. There is no direct phone number. You must wait for a response via email. Do not submit multiple appeals in a short time, as this can slow down the process. If your account was removed for severe violations, it may not be recoverable. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.